Dear students, welcome to Tungal online classes. Today we'll start with the next system, that is the anatomical system of the earthworm, that is respiratory system. In the last video we finished the digestive system as well as the circulatory system, and one point to be noted in the circulatory system, that is blood glands are present in 4th, 5th as well as 6th segments of the body of earthworm, and they are producing blood cells as well as plasma. This is the point what you have to note down, right? So apart from this one, let us start with the next system, that is respiratory system now. So in earthworm, there are no particular organs for the respiration, right? So that's why they respire with the help of the body surface of the body wall, right? So these animals, that is earthworms, respire with the help of body surface or body walls, right? So and one more thing is, so this body wall itself always being moist, so it is always being moist and it is very thin, and this moist, so skin is there because of the presence of mucus gland, right? So because of the mucus glands as well as coelomic fluid is also responsible for keeping the skin always moist itself, right? And not only the skin is moist in this animal, but also it is highly vascularized. Vascularized means what? So it is provided with blood. So it is provided with the blood. Since blood is provided in the skin, so since it is highly vascularized, it is very easy to take in the air or oxygen, and it is carried by the blood through the body of these animals, right? So it is provided with blood, and blood carry oxygen through the body, right? So that each and every cell of the tissues are getting the required oxygen as well as nutrients there. That's why this is how since the body wall of the skin is moist in nature and it is highly vascularized in nature, so because of this purpose, so the body wall would help as the respiratory organ in earthworm, right? So this is how the respiration that occurs in earthworm. So next system itself is excretory system. Let us see now. Next system is excretory system. As you know, there are some specialized structures are there in different organisms so as to excrete the waste products produced by the tissue cells, right? So during cellular respiration, what is many number of chemical reactions are taking place inside the body, that is metabolic reactions are taking place. As a result of the metabolic reactions, some of the byproducts as waste products which are produced over there, and those waste products are removed from the body, and the process is known as excretion. Okay, so how these animals, I mean earthworm, is going to excrete out the waste product which are produced as a result of metabolism or the excess fluid what is intaken by this animal itself, right? So it is removed from the body. Why? Because it is a waste product. So right, so let us see here the excretory system in earthworm, mainly consisting of the nephridias. What is consisting of? Nephridia. So it is plural and nephridium is singular. Nephridium is singular. So these are the structures which help in the excretion of the waste products from the body of these animals, right? So what those nephridia, where they are present in the body, right? So let us see now. These nephridia are of three kinds. There are three kinds of nephridia are there in the body of this earthworm itself, right? So let us see what are those types of nephridia based on the location where they are present. So on that basis they have been classified into three types. One is septal nephridia, and the second one is integumentary nephridia, and third one is pharyngeal nephridia. So like this, there are three types of nephridia that we come across over here which have been excretion. Let us write. So first one is septal nephridia, and the second one is integumentary nephridia, and third one is pharyngeal nephridia. Are three kinds of nephridia that we come across. So let us see one by one. See here, what are septal nephridia, right? Where actually they are present. As the name suggests, septa means, so there is a body, so wall is there. See here, the body is segmented in case of earthworm. See, this is the body of the earthworm. So in the first segment, you will come across the mouth, and followed by the buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, right, gizzard, stomach, all the different digestive tract that we come across over here. So this is mouth, right, this is buccal cavity, this is buccal cavity, and followed by the pharynx. Pharynx is followed by, this is what? Pharynx. Pharynx is followed by what? So it is followed by the esophagus. Esophagus is followed by what? It is followed by the gizzard, right? Esophagus, next gizzard, and next one is the stomach as well as intestine. So like this is how the digestive tract present in earthworm itself. So we'll have to focus on this structure, pharynx. So I will show different types of nephridia. They are distributed on the body, right? See here. So consider this is the 15th segment. So from 15th segment up to the last segment, there are some nephridia present on the septal wall of each segment, and those are segmental or septal nephridia. What they are called as septal nephridia. Septal nephridia are present on the septal wall on each segment, right? So these are present from 15th segment up to the last segment, and these are present at the septa of each segment after 15th segment, right? So they are present over here, right? These kind of septal nephridia, they are connected with or they interconnected with the entericus or intestine. What it is? Intestine. So it is linked with the intestine. It opens into the intestine internally. Hence these are called as enteronephridia. They are commonly known as enteronephridia, right? So these are one kind of nephridia that we come across over here, which help in the excretion of the waste products from the body, right? So enteronephridia is the one type of nephredias, and second type of nephredias are the integumentary. Nephridia. So these are the second type of the nephridia. And what do you mean by integument? That is nothing but skin. So that is nothing but skin, means on the body wall these are distributed on the body. So from the third segment, first, second, third, from the third segment up to the last segment, these integumentary nephredias are distributed on the body. These are distributed on body from third segment up to the last segment. So, and these kind of nephridia do not have any internal opening, right? So they are superficial in nature, they are present on the surface of the body wall, hence they excrete the waste products from the surface itself. That kind of, so the nephridia are called as what? Integumentary nephridia. This is most important point to be noted. So they do not have any internal, they don't have any internal openings. They do not have any internal openings, hence these are said as integumentary nephridia. They are superficial in nature, they are present over the skin only. And these kind of nephridia which are so present on the body wall of this entire body of this, so earthworm from the third segment up to the last segment. So these are called as exonephridia. Why these are called as exonephridia? Why these are called as exonephridia? Exo stands for outside, right? So they are not being interlinked, or there is no internal opening at all in these nephridia, hence they are called as exonephric. So conditioned is said to be as. And these nephridia also help in the excretion of the waste products from the body of this earthworm, right? Next one is very important one. What is the next type of nephridia? Already I have written out here, pharyngeal nephridia. So very important point is, see here, so they are also present on the 4th, 5th as well as 6th. This is the 4th segment, this is the 5th segment, this is the 6th segment. See here, the nephridia are present here. See here, they are having the duct. They are having the ducts over here, which are connected to the pharynx. They are connected to the pharynx. This is one, this is another one. These are present in the 4th, 5th and 6th segments, and these are known as duct of nephridia. These are called as duct of nephridia, which are present in the 4th as well as 6th segments, and these have ducts. These have duct, and those are called as pharyngeal ducts. Those are called as pharyngeal ducts, right? So usually these ducts are usually opening into the pharynx part of the digestive tract. So that's why they are extending from that part, hence these are said to be as what? Pharyngeal ducts. So this is about another type of nephridia, that is integumental nephridia, and the last one is pharyngeal nephridia. This is pharyngeal nephridia. Is the third one. Pharyngeal nephridia is the third one. These are 3 pairs of ducts. What nephridia? They are present from 4th, 5th as well as 6th. So segments, right? So these also help in a way in removing the waste products from the body of these organisms. So this is about the excretory system of the earthworm. Let us see the nervous system in earthworm, right? So the nervous system in earthworm mainly consisting of CNS, PNS as well as ANS. CNS, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system as well as autonomous nervous system or autonomic nervous system. Like this, there are 3 nervous systems that we come across as if that we the human beings have. That kind of a little more advanced the nervous system is seen in these animals, that is earthworm itself. Let us see. So nervous system is classified into 3 major sections. One is central nervous system, and second one is peripheral nervous system. In the same way, autonomous nervous system. So like this, there are 3 major systems that we come across over here. So in nervous system of the earthworm. See here, central nervous system, what it includes, first of all we go through. So whenever we see the chart related with this nervous system. That moment we can understand very easily how the central nervous system is there, peripheral nervous system is there, as well as the autonomous nervous system is there. Yes, you are able to see now the nervous system in earthworm. So this is the body of the earthworm. So you are observing here the first segment, which has a fleshy lobe called as peristomium. This is mouth, and this continues as the digestive system over here. And this yellow colored structure itself is nothing but it is the nervous system. What it comprises of? Central nervous system. What it comprises of? So let us see. So this is also front view of this nervous system. You are observing here. This is the first. So first segment, and let us see. Let us study the central nervous system over here. Very easily you can observe over here. Central nervous system mainly consisting of, there is some of the parts like suprapharyngeal ganglia as well as subpharyngeal ganglia, and next one is peripharyngeal connectives are the major structures that we come across over here. See here, so this is nothing but, this is said to be a suprapharyngeal ganglion, and the next one is below this one. You are observing here itself. This is bilobed structure. This is also bilobed structure. It is called a subpharyngeal ganglia, right? So like this, there are some nerve. So structures are there. They are said to be as ganglions, and these ganglions have a set of nerves. And this is a bilobed structure that is called as suprapharyngeal ganglion, or it is also known as brain itself, right? Which is lying at the pharyngeal or pharynx itself, above the pharynx. So suprapharyngeal ganglion is lying above the pharynx, and the subpharyngeal ganglion lies below the pharynx, right? And it is lying in the third segment, and this one is lying in the fourth segment. The point we noted over here. So central nervous system mainly consisting of the major part. First one is suprapharyngeal ganglion and subpharyngeal ganglion, and third one is peripharyngeal connectives, right? It consisting of these three, right? Suprapharyngeal ganglion lies in the third segment. It lies in the third segment. Subpharyngeal ganglion lies in the fourth segment. So slightly slow. It looks to be as it lies in the fourth segment. It lies in the third segment. In the same way, so this suprapharyngeal ganglion is said to be as the brain of this animal. It is said to be as the brain of this animal, right? And along with this one, peripheral connectives, along with this one, you will find nerve cord. Here you are seeing at the central axis of the body of this animal, nerve cord is present over here. So that has segmental ganglions. It has segmental ganglions, right? Segmental ganglions are there as well as nerve cord. So this is forming totally the central nervous system, right? So first of all, let us see this brain or the suprapharyngeal ganglion is connected with the subpharyngeal ganglion with the help of the peripharyngeal connectives and making a ring-like structure and that ring-like structure is called as nerve ring. What it is known as nerve ring. How this nerve ring is formed over here? It is due to connection of supra as well as subpharyngeal ganglions. Ganglions are connected over here so as to form this nerve ring. Is the important feature of the nervous system in this animal itself, right? Nerve ring is formed over here. Okay, and this nerve cord that continues up to the last segment of the body, that is invertebrate, right? So peripharyngeal connectives, what these are, you know. So here these are the nerves which connects supra as well as subpharyngeal ganglions. So they are said as peripharyngeal connectives, they are called as. So like this, there we come across the central nervous system, right? Mainly it consisting of suprapharyngeal ganglion, subpharyngeal ganglion, which are connected with the help of peripharyngeal connectives. So which makes the nerve ring around the pharynx, especially as well as esophagus, right? So this is the important point to be noted over here. So very important point it is. And apart from this one, next system is peripheral system, right? That is nothing but peripheral nervous system. Okay. Next system is peripheral nervous system. What is this peripheral nervous system? As the name suggests, periphery means towards the peripheral part of the body, towards the end part of the body. What is the nervous system distributed? It is altogether called as peripheral nervous system. See here on the periphery or towards the periphery, there you come across what? The nerves which are arising from the brain or suprapharyngeal ganglions towards the head. And so the subpharyngeal ganglions, from that also many of the nerves that are distributed over here. And from each segmental ganglion, many number of nerves are distributing towards the periphery of the body. They are moving towards the periphery of the body. Nerves arising from subpharyngeal ganglion, nerves arising from the suprapharyngeal ganglion, nerves arising from the segmental ganglions. All these nerves together form what? The peripheral nervous system, remember, right? So it includes the nerves which arise from supra, sub, pharyngeal and as well as segmental ganglions. All together form what? Peripheral nervous system. Apart from this one, right? Apart from this one, as you know, these peripheral nervous system, I mean nerves arising from the segmental ganglions, all these ganglions towards the periphery of the body, and they are distributed across the body. These nerves are distributed across the body. They are distributed across the body, right? So as to bring some of the stimulations, right? So this is how the central nervous system as well as peripheral nervous systems are seen in case of what? In case of this earthworm. And apart from this one, next system itself is autonomous nervous system. Very important one. what is autonomous nervous system? So see here, so there are some of the nerve plexus that we come across. Nerve plexus are nothing but group of nerves, a set of nerves that we come across. They have been distributed across this digestive tract, that is alimentary canal. Around this alimentary canal there are some nerves are distributed, that is plexus of nerves that is said as, or the set of nerves that is called as around this digestive tract. Apart from the digestive tract, many other internal organs around which many plexus of nerves are distributed. And all those nerves, they bring about coordination among the functions of different organs, internal organs. They help in coordinating the different internal organs, right? Their functions, right? So that all those nerve plexus together form what? It forms the last nervous system, that is autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system. What it comprises of? Nerve plexus distributed around the enteron or intestine or the digestive tract and other internal organs. So those nerve plexus usually distributed on other internal organs as well as the digestive tract, and all those nerves, so they help in bringing about coordination among all those functions of different internal organs, right? So they all together form the autonomous nervous system. They all together form autonomous nervous system. This is how the nervous system which is there in earthworm, right? So this is all about the nervous system. Next one is the reproductive system in earthworm. As you know, this earthworm is said to be as monoecious, or it is also known as hermaphrodites or bisexual animal, right? So why it is called as bisexual animal is because it has both male and female reproductive organs in the same body of these animals, right? Hence these are called as hermaphrodites or bisexual animals, right? And so one thing you must be very clear with this one. What is that? So that is nothing but, even though these are monoecious, even though the sex organs in respective animal is producing male and female gametes, right? So the gametes of the same animal do not fuse themselves so as to produce the young ones, right? Then how do these animals help in reproduction? In what way the reproduction that occurs? That is nothing but, here two animals come in contact with each other and attach at one particular region called as clitellum. Already I have told you, clitellum is a set of ring-like glandular tissue, right? That is formed, right? That helps in attachment of two animals during copulation, right? Whenever both the animals attach to each other, they produce respective what? The male and female gametes in respective bodies, and the exchange of those gametes that take place. Whenever the exchange of gametes take place, that moment what happens? Cross-fertilization occurs. Cross-fertilization is the major function of, or the major or unique feature of all these animals, remember. Already I have told you in the initial class, so cross fertilization that occurs in these animals, as a result of which there are some cocoons are formed, and those cocoons hatch into the young ones. How many young ones are produced at a single animal, right? All those things let us study one by one in the next video. Thank you very much.